All right, this is a quick review of all your lines. I'm going to go through and draw them all, and you can guess as we go. And then at the end, I will go over all the names so that you remember and know what they're called. Here we go. All right, those are all the main ones that we need to know. Let's see if you remember what they're called. When I point, you can say it with me if you know the answer. Horizontal, diagonal, vertical. Those are our three straight lines. Zigzag, dashed, loop-de-loop, dotted, spiral, wavy, and curved. All right, now move on to the next step in the lesson.